Hey guys, welcome back to the Quick Shift channel. Today we're going to do something that was suggested by one of our viewers, and we're going to try out this Armor All Outlast Brake Dust Repellent. So for today's video, we're going to go ahead and install this onto our RAV4's wheels and see how this holds up. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this side clean, which as you guys can tell we've already cleaned the rims. I'll leave a tag up above for how to clean your wheels. But we're gonna show you how to install this onto the wheels, and we're gonna give it a few weeks and see how we like it compared to the other side, which we'll leave dry. All right guys, so according to the instructions on the back, this is pretty simple. Obviously you want a clean and dry wheel, so you don't want to put this on with a wet wheel. So we've got our wheels cleaned out on the outside and the inside, and they are all dried out. So all you have to do is shake this vigorously and then apply a liberal layer of this onto the wheel and the tire, so you don't have to worry about masking off the tire or anything. And then you let it sit for an hour. So we'll go ahead and apply this on. Almost like painting. Make sure we get the inside of the wheel as well. And then we'll do the other wheel. Make sure I shake this really well in between applications here. And we'll do the same thing on this side, or this wheel if you will. So there you go. Now all we have to do is wait for it to dry up, wait 1 hour before we drive the vehicle. All right guys, so again, here's the side that's untreated. Now it's been just over an hour since we put the chemical on there. And let's take a look at how it looks after curing for an hour. All right, here we go. So if you take a look at it, I'm not sure I like how this discolored around the tire here. And then you can actually see some runs on here, which I've seen in other reviews. That's been a problem on these black wheels, or on black wheels in general. You can see some of these runs, but we'll give this thing, let's go take a look at the one in the back here real quick. Oh yeah, you can really see it. Hope that picks up on the camera. See the dripping down here. This tire doesn't look as bad on the outside, but down here where it really dripped down, you can see it. But you can see, like on here, some of the sediment on here from where it drained down on it. But we'll give this thing a few weeks here and see if it does a better job of keeping the dust off. But I can tell you personally already, just because of this dripping and the way it dried around the tire, I would probably not use this. But we'll see how it holds up against the dust. All right, so it's been about 4 weeks, give or take a few days. So let's go ahead and take a look at these wheels. So this wheel is the untreated wheel. As you can see, this car does not put out a whole lot of dust. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but we'll kind of show you there. You can see it's got some dust on it. You can see the crevices in here, and that's what it looks like on a wheel that has not been treated. So let's go ahead and flip around to the other side and take a look at the treated wheels and see how the product is held up. So I've gone and flipped the vehicle around so we can have the same lighting so you can see these in comparison. So looking at this wheel, one thing you'll notice is all this stuff around the edges from the chemical. But really, it does look a little bit cleaner. And I'll say, run my finger across this, it did seem to do some of what it said it would do. Now it does have these markings that come off, the drippage, if you will, from the application, and you can see the inside splatter from it. But overall, this is much cleaner, much more dust-free. Let's go ahead and take a quick look back here at the rear wheel. Again, you can still see the evidence from the drip in here that kind of wipes off if you wipe it with your finger. But overall, it did keep cleaner than the untreated side. So I will say that it does some of what it promises, but at a level that, for me, I don't think that I would purchase this product. It just doesn't do a good enough job, and with the runoff here, it does leave too much sediment on it, and I guess I'm just too OCD for this, and I would probably just leave it untreated, maybe use the H2O gloss on the wheels, and just keep them clean myself. So thank you for joining us. If you like this in the reviews, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and thanks for joining us.